Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing everything so capture is smooth. Mount the device and plug in power. Make sure notifications are off and battery optimization is disabled. Open the app to the first screen you want to show and rehearse the exact taps and swipes once or twice. Record a short test clip to confirm exposure, audio, and framing. If the test looks off, adjust angle, brightness, and frame rate, then capture the main take with steady, deliberate gestures. Once you have the first scene, continue recording the sequence of core features. Film long, uninterrupted actions to preserve context, then shoot close-ups for details and fast cuts. If you need emphasis, record a half-speed pass and speed it up later to smooth motion. Make sure you also capture a dry voiceover track while referencing the step list, because it's easier to replace on-set noise. After each take, review playback and repeat any step until interactions are flawless. You finish by assembling clips into a tight, engaging preview. Trim to the most impactful 15 to 30 seconds, add concise captions and highlight taps or gestures so viewers follow along, then color correct for consistent brightness. Export using H.264 or H.265 at the target resolution and check playback on a device. If audio drifts or visuals stutter, relink original audio files. Nudge clips.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.